Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to math class, grade 3. So, then this unit 1, what is the lesson name? Where to look from? What and all we seen at that last class? Views, Rangoli, and mirror image. Shall we recall once? Yes. Let us come. View. What is mean by view? To think about something in a particular way, to watch or look at something. So, what are the types of views we learn? Top view, front view, and side view. So, what is mean by front view? It is a projection view. Then, top view. What do you see when you look at something from the top? Side view, a view from the side. Look at the image. This is a front view. And then next, this is a top view. And then next one is side view. Next, we can see Rangoli. So, what is Rangoli? It is an art form. It is usually made during Diwali, Onam, Pongal, and other festivals in the Indian subcontinent. Yes, so we can say this made a pattern. So, what is meant by pattern? An arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, etc. as a design. So, why do we do Rangoli? The reason a Rangoli is drawn at the entrance of your house is because of its calming effect on a visitor who is just about to enter into the house. Okay, children. Next one is a mirror image. What is mean by mirror image? A image that is reversed from left to right as it would appear if seen in a mirror a reflection. So that is called mirror image. Look at that moon. I will just put a mirror to get the complete picture. It is reversed from left to right. So this is a mirror image. And then next one. Look at that boy. I showed a mirror. It is reflected from right to left. So this is a mirror image. And then next, look at this butterfly. In this paper, half of the butterfly is there. Just put a mirror to get the complete picture of a butterfly. So this also we can say mirror image. And then next we are going to learn symmetry and asymmetry. What is mean by symmetry? The quality of being made up of quality. The quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. So both sides should be same. So this series we can say symmetry. So look at this butterfly, they divide in a center line. So this is a symmetry we can say. So left side and right side both should be equal on the same. So what is that shapes in symmetry? A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line can be drawn on it. So look at that center line can be drawn on it. This is a shape of a symmetry line to show that both sides of the shape are exactly the same. And then next, look at that image. They divided that center line and that both sides should be equal. So this one we can say symmetry. And then look at that butterfly image. They divided center line. So both sides should be equal. So we can say this also symmetry image. And then next, asymmetry. asymmetry. What is mean by meaning? It means that two parts of something are not exactly the same or not exactly the same. So both sides should be not equal. So that is mean asymmetry. So look at here. Look at the butterfly image. Then left side, what is the color is there? Green with black. And then right side, gray with black. So both sides will not be same. So this is not a symmetry. We can say asymmetry. So look at the difference in this picture. Symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetry, how it is? Look at left side and right side. Both are same. But in this asymmetrical, how it is? Left side only 3 curves in this tree and this right side more curves are there. But it's not same on both sides. So we can say asymmetry. So look at this image. You want to tell is a symmetry or asymmetry. So okay children, it's a symmetry or asymmetry. This is a symmetry image. Yes, this one. Next, what is this? This is a symmetry or asymmetry. This is a symmetry. Yes, correct. And then next, look at the tree. So both sides are same or not same? Both sides are not same. Not same means what I said? Asymmetry. And then next, look at this. How it is? They divide at the center, but it should not exactly the same. So it is a asymmetry. So okay children, I hope you understood this topic. Can we do the homework? Do the given homework. Refer your book page number 9 and 10. Look at here. You want to draw a dotted line in this picture. So you want to cut two similar halves. Okay children, and then next look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line and divided each picture? Already it's divided. You want to write is a symmetry or asymmetry. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you all.